Windows 11 KB5020044 preview update released with 25 changes. Microsoft has released a November optional KB5020044 preview cumulative update for all editions of Windows 11 version 22S2. Today, non-security release adds 25 bug fixes and enhancements including OneDrive storage limit, alerts and fixes for an issue causing File Explorer crashes when closing context menu and menu items. The KB5020044 preview update is part of Microsoft November 2022 monthly C update, and it enables Windows admin to test fixes rolling out to all users with the December 2022 Patch Tuesday. But unlike Patch Tuesday updates, non-security preview released like KB5020044 are optional and do not include security updates. You can install this preview update by going into Settings, Windows Update and clicking the Check for Updates button. Since it's an optional update, Windows Update, you must manually install by clicking the Download and Install link. The preview update will only install automatically on Windows Insider builds. You can also manually download and install the KB5020044 preview update from the Microsoft Update Catalog. What's new in 2022 last preview update? The Windows 11 KB5020044 preview release comes with over 2 zones, fixes and improvements, with the 5 highlighted ones listed below. Gives Microsoft OneDrive subscriber storage alerts on the system page in the Settings app. The alert appears when you are close to your storage limit. Provides the full amount of the storage capacity of all your OneDrive subscription. It also displays the total storage on the accounts page in the Settings app. Combines Windows Spotlight with themes on the personalization page. This makes it easier for you to discover and turn on the Windows Spotlight feature. Addresses a non-issue that affects the input method editor, i.e. certain application might stop responding. This occurs when you use keyboard shortcut to change the input mode of the IME. Addresses an issue that causes File Explorer to stop working. This occurs when you close context menu and menus items. Microsoft also said on Tuesday that this is the last preview update for this year, with no other non-security update to be released during December. There will be no preview non-security release for Windows 10 or Windows 11 during the month of December. Redmond said preview release normally target the third week of the month. There will be a December security updates release as usual.